am under this rain. I stand under this rain to pray for somebody.
I receive.
Anybody that is under the face of this earth that has stood to place a cross upon your destiny, to place a cross on your marriage, that place a cross on your life. If I hear your amen under this rain, I break the cross. Whatever that has been making you to suffer on this earth, you have been suffering and struggling. If you lift your hands today, the Lord says to tell somebody here, under this land I prophesy, your suffering has ended today. Yes, 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 yes. Your suffering has ended today. Your suffering has ended today. You will not suffer again. You will not suffer again. Every native doctor, any charm that bury in your shop, every charm that bury in your father's house, every charm in your mother's house, working against your life, if I hear your amen, the charm has spoiled. Under this rain, I spoil the charm. 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 I say I spoil the charm. I spoil the charm. I spoil diabolism. I spoil diabolism. Strong man in your family will die this year. You are my to here. Strong man in your family will die this year. The next thunder that will strike, as this thunder is striking, I send this thunder to your father's compound. I send this thunder to your mother's compound. I send this thunder to the compound of your village. Thunder will strike your strong man. Thunder will kill your evil uncle. Thunder will kill your evil auntie. Lift your hands, shout fire 21 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Lift your hands, say I am free. Yes, 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 yes. Thunder, 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 thunder. Lift your hands, say thunder of God.